First things first, year one, can you stop this video and go and click on the YouTube link to watch Jack and the Flum Flum tree being read to you? Once we've watched that, you can come back to this video. Did you see all the things that Jack's granny had put into the sack that helped him along the story? Well, we're going to do the same. And that's what a survival kit is. A lot of different things that will help us along the way of our next big adventure. So I've created mine and I'll talk through mine, and then you can go away and think about what you'd like to include in yours. So our aim today is to use everything we've learned about materials to be able to help us to think what to put in our survival kit. I've created my own survival kit, but yours might be completely different, and that's okay. You have to include things that you want to in your survival kit and tell me why you've included those things. Now, it's very important to notice that my survival kit might be different to your survival kit. Your survival kit doesn't have to be exactly the same. This is about what you choose to put in your survival kit. First of all, because we're at sea, I've chosen a waterproof container to pack my survival kit in. What will you choose? I know in this drawer, this is where we keep the gloves and where we keep the face masks. Ooh, I've also come across some aluminium foil. That might be handy. So I'm going to pack these gloves into my survival kit. Wow, they're stretchy. That might be useful. So going to pack my face mask because that'll keep me safe. I remember this foil. It's shiny. Maybe I can include this foil. I've also found a candle. That'll be handy. Remember, don't include anything dangerous in your survival kit. There are things you know you're not allowed to touch in your house. Don't include them. Nothing sharp or fire. I've found some plasters. They'll be handy. What can I find in my craft drawer? Oh, look, I found some string. That'll definitely come in handy because this string is very strong. I might need a pencil. Of course, I'll need a little snack to make sure that I've got enough energy to help me out when I'm on my adventure. Let's remind ourselves what we've got in my survival kit. First of all, I've used a waterproof container to make sure that anything inside stays dry. Inside, what did we put? I've got, of course, food to make sure that I've got enough energy. Then I included a pencil. This might be so I can write messages for somebody to help me. I included a balloon as well. I forgot about that. That's stretchy and could be helpful somehow. A piece of string that was very tough and strong. That can help me if I need to tie some things together. I included a plaster. Now the plaster, they will be really good and handy for cuts, but I wonder if there's anything else I can use them for. What property of the plaster is there? I remember the material of the plaster is sticky. What else did I include? I included this bandage. Now I remember bandages were from fabric and they were quite stretchy. That might be useful. A candle. This candle is hard, but it's waxy to touch. maybe I could use it to write. The tin foil. Now the tin foil is important. This is shiny. So I could use it to cook, or I could use it to signal somebody. If I wanted to get somebody's attention, I could signal them with the shiny side of the foil. We obviously have our mask, that's to protect us. And these rubber gloves. Now these rubber gloves were really stretchy. Maybe I could store something inside them, like water. If I needed to carry water from one place to another, I could use the gloves. Don't forget to post your video about what you include in your survival kit.